All right, here we go. Tuesday morning, folks. It's time to roll. It's been a fairly quiet overnight session. Futures trading marginally lower after a day yesterday where we saw particularly those tech stocks driving higher. Most notably, Twitter yesterday with the announcement that Elon Musk was buying a 9.2% stake in the company, up over 27%. Big moves in those technology stocks. Now, again, this morning we're seeing Dow Jones trade lower by about 72 points, S&P's lower by 9, and the NASDAQ lower by 40 points. So across the board, that's about 0.2% of a move lower. So a very, very quiet session. Where else are we seeing action? Well, we're not seeing action in oil this morning, which we've seen for the better part of 3 weeks now. Oil being very quiet, trading just shy of $104 a barrel in WTI. That's got oil up by about half a point. So not a lot of action in the oil market. Dollar strength. So over in FX, seeing dollar strength over the past couple of days. If you look at a 5-day chart, look at that euro dollar in particular. Euro dollar was trading just shy of 1.12 5 days ago. We're now down below 1.10 with a 1.09 handle on the euro dollar. So seeing some big moves in the FX world over the past couple of days, notably with that dollar strength. But that said, been a quiet overnight session. So not a lot going on. We do have the Federal Reserve minutes from the last meeting tomorrow. So that's going to put an eye back on inflation, and inflation is still dominating the conversation. We still got a lot of concerns with everything that's going on, Ukraine and Russia. Now conversations around potential war crimes. That could have an impact on the markets. And here in a few short days, we're going to be kicking off first quarter earnings. So bit of a quiet day today. That being said, we got to be ready. There could be volatility just like we saw yesterday. You never know what's going to cause it. So everybody have a great Tuesday. Trade some price action. I'll see you again tomorrow morning.